status update. I bought a cam angle sensor and a crank angle sensor. Hopefully one of them fixes it. Woo, man, it is a chilly one. It feels like 4 degrees out today. Just another great day in upstate New York. At least the sun's like somewhat shining. So today we are, well, today obviously you can see the title. That is what we're doing. However, before that, need to run to the post office, get the rent check for February. Safety first, kids. Also have to go and get some heat. Story of my life, man. And this water bottle's gonna go flying. And there it goes. Oh, also stopping at the P.O. box. And there those go. So let's just get rolling. Tell you one thing, man, that sun feels great. The sun feels real good. Don't get to see it too much at this time of year, so any bit of sunshine we get is quite a treat. Ooh, it feels so good against my face. For those of you that are unaware, I got a P.O. box. If you guys would like to send me anything, fan art, mail, just in general, some stuff. There it is, Calvin's Garage, P.O. Box 412, Fishers, New York 14453. Never have enough hands to carry everything, man, and I still have like 50 things to bring in. Oh, the smell of gear oil still lingers in the air, man. Still lingering. So thanks to everyone who attempted to watch my live stream. First off, tried it on YouTube. That didn't go well. Secondly, tried it on Instagram. That went better, but not as well. Well, not as great as we would like it to. So I will try to get some more live streams going on for the channel on Instagram, YouTube, whatever. But I will make sure I'm in a place that has some better connection. So for those of you that did try and go ahead and watch it, shout out, because you guys are staying up to date and keeping informed with what's going on the channel. But today, heaters roaring. It's gonna be, we're back on this gal over here. So we have our kit, which is chilling over there. If you guys would have missed the last time we kind of messed with the kit, we got it basically fit and sitting where we wanted it. So the cool part is that part is all done. So the only thing we have to go ahead and do is wrap it, prep it a little bit before we wrap it, and go ahead and slap it on the car and then figure out a way to kind of get it to stay there. Well, I have some crazy like VHB tape, which is like called very high bond tape, double-sided. It's like some military grade stuff. So we'll kind of see if that holds up for us. We'll give it a test run today, and who knows? By the time we're done, we might have a kit on this car. That's the plan, at least. So let's get started. I'm kind of curious of these little envelopes we got in the mail. So let's go ahead and open them up and let's see what we got inside. First one here, a little envelope. Yeah, this is not. This is. I don't think this is. This was for me. There's nothing. There's literally nothing on it. So, U.S. Postal Office, you messed up. This is from Dylan Garcia from New Mexico, my dude. Oh, we got a note. Sure. Oh yeah, I've got a long one here. Dear Calvin, I've been a big fan of your channel for a couple years, and I really admire people like you and Adam LZ and that dude in blue, because you guys really respect 240s and don't ruin them. Good man. Oh, no way. I made this custom 240SX Hot Wheel to look like your RB swap 240. Dude, that's awesome. I swapped the wheels and what? What? I stripped off the old paint and then did my best to match the color of your Dude. Oh, bro. Yo, this is sweet, bro. Yo, that is so cool. That is so cool. That is so cool. Dude. That is awesome. This could be a thumbnail. Oh, check this out. New T40 in the shop, gentlemen. Woo, it's a fire one. Dude, that's so awesome, man. I appreciate that. You are a legend. That's a really awesome fan mail, dude. This is staying in the shop for sure. He's got the sleepy eyes too on there, dude. Oh, he's got the Type-X on there, dude. Now this, I think this is just a connector. This, yes. Oh yeah, look at that beautifulness right there. Thanks to everyone who sent stuff, man. Super awesome. Appreciate you. All right, so before we get started, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of do a quick eyeball alignment. Damn it, dude. I really need to get rid of this oil somehow, but I keep forgetting to bring litter. So we're gonna go ahead and do a quick eyeball alignment because as you can see, I mean, okay, also, you guys are awesome. You guys came in clutch with this. So I was wondering why or how do the solid subframe bushings raise the subframe up 15 millimeters? I thought they lowered it, like for some odd reason. I thought they brought it away from the chassis, but they actually bring it closer to the chassis by 15 millimeters because there's like the OEM sleeve that sits in the bushing actually is like risen up over the subframe. So that basically now without that, the subframe is now level and flush up to the car. So, and I just noticed, like, it may seem like I'm shouting, but I don't know, if I'm maybe just like speaking my voice up because of this freaking heater. If I spoke too quietly, I mean, I guess I can try and see how it is in post edit, but if I spoke normally, like, I don't know if you guys would hear me as well as if I were to kind of raise my voice a little bit, so you can hear me for sure, but just to update, I don't want you guys to think I'm like yelling at you guys. All right, it's time. It is time. These are coming out of hibernation. All right, here it is in all our glory. So, yes, these are not real OEM Nissan parts as much as I wish they were. That's kind of one of the reasons why I'm not so anxious on getting this thing on the car. I'm not too big of a fan of fiberglass, however, I've had these things for a year. If you guys are interested in maybe picking up your own set of this, it's jdmbodyshop.pl. Shout out to my Polish viewers out there. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and give these things a shot. Now that we have the vinyl wrap for them, we can actually go ahead and kind of get them the same color as the car, which I believe was one of the main reasons why I never really fell too in love with the look. But, you know, with me, cleanliness is key. Like, it needs to look clean and proper. So if we can get this kit to look good on the car, we will rock it. I also need to figure out a way to get it bonded. And the reason why I'm kind of headed towards this kit, well, first off, it's an OEM style kit. It's nothing crazy. I'm not a body kit kind of guy. This car is never gonna get over fenders or anything like that. But the reason why I feel the kit would be good is because with my pig nose front bumper, I actually have the OEM lip. And with that lip, it brings everything down up front. And you look on the side of the car, it brings everything back up. So now with this kit, I think the body line will kind of more so be even and will make a little bit more sense. So we'll figure it out once we get this thing kind of wrapped and fitted to the car. All right, well, we're just talking about import line stuff. We're just saying how we only literally have 45 days about, give or take, to get this thing. Yeah, what day is it today?
February 5th.
Today's the 5th. We're leaving on the what? The 20th? 22nd.
2nd of March.
Okay, so don't feel like doing math right now, but yes, there's not much time. All right, as the battery dies, I got this thing filled up, so we'll go ahead and give that a sand here once she's ready. Whoa, she got her balancing on the, and she's gonna go. There. All right, so over here, oh. Heads up here. Heads up as to what we're using for bondage here. This is VHB 5952. There it is. This is what we're using. Honestly, it's pretty gnarly. I got this piece all wrapped. This is one of the dilemmas I have with fiberglass, guys. Like, you can tell it's fiberglass. Like, yes, this is all kind of really dirty and fingerprinty, but you can see like there's like cracks in it. Granted, shop lighting is real harsh and gnarly, so we'll never really see this much detail outside. And what I'm thinking, if you guys have seen any RWB builds, you would know that when the guy puts his little, when he puts his fenders on, he puts like a little piece of tape on each side and then gives it a little bit of a seal with some silicone right there. It actually, I had it mounted up on the car, and it looks pretty good. I can't lie. I was a little bit skeptical before, but it looks pretty good. What's going?
Peeling, not sanding.
Okay. Should we just call you Fonzie from dipyourcar.com?
Is that his name, the Big Jack guy?
That's Fonzie, yes.
Wow.
Yeah, it's Fonzie.
Yeah, because like, you know,
the whole entire wrap.
It's taking him 20 minutes.
Right where the
20 minutes to put a banner on. 20 minutes. Unreal.
Doesn't really. You know, you'd have to turn the mic around to get quality sound.
They can still hear me. Right, here we are. This is gonna be tricky. You guys have wider heads on your camera. Just a quick update here. Going real well up here.
Yeah, the top's fine.
Real crispy line. Oh.
What happened?
Oh dear.
I had to make it work.
How do you feel about your?
My hand hurts so.
Oh, come on.
Was that Bando?
Yeah, dude, it's definitely, it went to the wrong address though. It went to the wrong address because that's not me or meant for me.
I just want to say Merry Christmas.
I don't know. It's possible. I appreciate it.
It's gonna be like, so how'd you like our Christmas?
Yeah, it's
card?
like, oh, yo.
You didn't get that?
Or it'll be like, we sent the O'Neills a Christmas card, but they never sent one back. Oh, we're unfriending them on Facebook. But
March 24th, 25th, we will all be at Import Alliance.
yes.
Come say what's up to everybody.
Come say hi.
Buy a sticker.
Yep.
Buy a sticker.
Yeah.
Don't let me wrap your car.
Well, yeah, don't.
I'll make a good video for you though.
There you go.
$5,000 per second of
Wow.
video.
Wow. You just lost all your potential customers.
Oh, I'm only for the big ballers.
Ooh.
$200.
Ooh, yeah, she done. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I'd say we go ahead and fit this sucker up. All right, we're just gonna do a quick little mock-up before we taper on. It's on, kind of. Not really at all. All right, we gonna do it. We're gonna get some tape and we're gonna put it on there. All right, I got 2 minutes before my card fills up. So here we go. Got our double-sided tape here and there, and then obviously we'll go ahead and zip it from the bottom. But woo, this is it. This is the MOT. This is the moment of truth. Oh, this is very nervous. Oh boy. Okay, we're in. We're done. Call it a day. No, but I mean generally, okay, it's not on, but I don't know, man. I don't know if it's just because the wheels aren't right or what, but this kit, I mean, it hasn't really taken me by, like, man, I don't know. It's just, it's good. It's good, I think it's good. I would definitely prefer if it was OEM, 100%. What do you guys think? Now, don't mind this whole kind of connection here because that isn't really set at all, but in general, I mean, I'm still on the fence, man. I'm still on the fence. I guess we won't really get a real representation, like I said, until the car's on the ground and we have our wheels on and stuff, and once they're painted. But so yeah, you can see we didn't really have that finalized yet. Still working on it. Granted, it looks kind of funky with these wheels, but like all in all, not too bad. Just don't look at that bit right there because we haven't really mounted that up properly. Let me know what you guys are thinking. You guys are gonna probably think I'm a racer now, but I mean, the amount of times I've been asked to get this kit on, I've been stalling long enough. You know what I mean? Like that's how I feel. So, excuse me. We'll kind of rock it. It'd be cool to see once we get the wheels fitted on, and also once we kind of get that black seam sealer in. I actually also might have a surprise for you guys. Just possibly. If you guys are made it this long, you deserve to kind of maybe get some kind of information here as a little, I guess, giveaway. Might have a new build coming to the shop here pretty soon. It's a car I've been wanting for a good amount of time, so I'm pretty stoked on it. We'll see. Hopefully the deal goes through, but yeah, man, car's coming along. I mean, we went from that to that, so not too shabby, not too shabby. So I'm gonna call it here for tonight, guys. It is 1 a.m. Stay tuned, guys. Please stay notified. Subscribe if you guys haven't already done so already. A lot of things coming up here on the channel very, very soon. Would be awesome if you guys could stick along for the journey. As always, thank you guys so much. You know I appreciate the support. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, all can be found in the description down below. Please go ahead and follow me. Would mean the world. Stickers, guys, also would be awesome. Go ahead and grab one. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Later.